Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your post on Threads. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up the Threads app. Now go to your profile page on the bottom right corner. Here you can see your post. Now click on the menu button in the post. And here you are given with three options: who can reply, hide like count, and delete. You'll have to click on delete option, then click on delete option again. And that is how you can easily delete your post on Threads. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.